Happy morning, students. 10th standard, Science, Chapter 13, Structural Organization of Animals, page 194. In our previous video, we discussed about external morphology of rabbit. Now, we will move on to the next topic, digestive system of rabbit. Digestive system, it includes two parts. One is alimentary canal, another one is digestive glands. Alimentary canal, it starts from mouth and ends in anus. Mouth leads to buccal cavity leads to pharynx, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, cecum, large intestine and anus. So these are all the parts are involved in the alimentary canal. Next, digestive glands. So digestive glands, it includes salivary gland, gastric glands, liver, pancreas and intestinal glands. Salivary gland is located in the buccal cavity. So the salivary gland secrete saliva. Okay. And then gastric gland is located in the stomach and then they secrete gastric juices. Liver secrete liver juice. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. And then intestinal glands secrete intestinal juices. Okay. So these are all the digestive glands. They secrete digestive juices and then it helps in digestion of food materials. Okay. Next, this is a picture, that is digestive system of rabbit. Okay. So the digestive system of rabbit, it starts from mouth. Okay. Mouth is a transverse slit-like opening. Okay. There is a slit-like opening. Okay. So the mouth is surrounded by, that is upper lip and lower lip. Okay. Then the mouth, it leads to a buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, there is a space present inside the mouth, that is the buccal cavity. So the buccal cavity is, the floor of buccal cavity is occupied by muscular tongue. Okay. There is presence of tongue. And then jaws. Okay. There is upper jaw and lower jaw. So the jaws bears teeth. Okay. And then the buccal cavity, it leads to a small short tube that is called as pharynx. Okay. And then pharynx, it leads to esophagus and then esophagus open into the stomach. Okay. And then stomach, it leads to small intestine, and in between the small intestine and large intestine, there is presence of a thin sac-like structure. There is a pouch-like structure that is called a cecum. Okay. So the cecum, it contains large amount of bacteria that can helps in digestion of cellulose. Okay. So already you know rabbit is one of the herbivorous animal. They eat raw food materials, that is plants, leaves, greens, grasses, and then lettuce, cabbage, turnips, etc. Okay. That is they eat raw food materials, plant material. So plant materials, it contain cellulose. Okay. That is cellulose. So the cellulose is digested by the cellulase enzyme. The cellulase enzymes are secreted by bacteria. So the cecum, it contains large amount of bacteria. Okay. Clear? Okay. So in between the small intestine and large intestine, there is presence of cecum. Okay. And then the large intestine is divisible into three parts. First part, that is colon. Next, rectum. The rectum open out by anus. So this is a digestive system of rabbit. Okay. Next, dentition in rabbit. Okay. Dentition in rabbit. So teeth, dentition means there is a dental arrangement, teeth arrangement. Okay. So teeth are hard bone-like structures. Okay. Teeth are hard bone-like structure. It is used to cut, tear and grind the food materials. Okay. அது என்ன பண்ணும், food materials cut பண்றதுக்கு, then tear, அதை கடிச்சு இழுக்கிறதுக்கு, then grind, okay, அரைக்கிறதுக்கு help பண்ணும். There is a function of teeth. Okay. So the rabbit has two set of teeth. Okay. Rabbit has two set of teeth. The existence of two set of teeth in a life of an animal is called as டைஃபோடான் டென்டேஷன். ஸோ டை மீன்ஸ் 2. ஸோ ஒரு அனிமலோட லைஃப் டைமில் 2 டைம்ஸ் டீத் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறதுக்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா டைஃபோடான்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். கிளியர்? த எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் 2 set of teeth in the life of an animal, that is called as diphodont dentition. The 2 types of teeth are, one is milk teeth, another one is permanent teeth. Okay, so the milk teeth are present in young ones, okay, and then permanent teeth in adults. So similar in human beings. Human beings la kuda naagum young ones la in the age of 7 or 8 years அந்த மாதிரி டைமில் என்ன ஆகும், மில்க் டீத் விழுந்துட்டு நியூ டீத் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். யங் ஒன்ஸ்க்கு இருக்கிறத மில்க் டீத்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம். தென் ஆஃப்டர் தட் அது விழுந்து நியூ டீத் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். மில்க் டீத் விழுந்தால் அந்த இடத்துல இன்னொரு டீத் பெர்மனன்ட் டீத் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். பட் பெர்மனன்ட் டீத் கீழே விழுந்துச்சுன்னா மறுபடியும் நியூ டீத் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகாது. ஓகே, கிளியர்? ஓகே. In rabbit, teeth are of different types. Okay, there is presence of teeth, there is a shape, then function of teeth is divisible into different types. Okay, so the dentition is called as heterodont dentition. Okay, so the rabbit has 4 kinds of teeth. Okay, rabbit and other mammals. Okay, there is presence of 4 kinds of teeth. One is incisor, another one canine, premolar and molar. Okay, so incisor represent I, capital I, then canine represent capital C, premolar represent PM, and then molar represent M. So this is expressed in the form of dental formula. Okay, so the dental formula is a simple method of representing of teeth. Okay, representing of teeth of mammals. Okay, so see the picture. So first there is the dental arrangement is the dental formula is calculated by the upper and lower jaw of one side is counted. Okay, one side, right or left side. Okay, ரெண்டு சைடில் one equal part. Okay, upper and lower jaw. So இதை calculate பண்ணி தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், dental formulas வந்து derive பண்ணுறோம். Okay, so the dental formula, rabbit ஓட dental formula first upper jaw. So upper jaw bears 2 incisors. Okay, இந்த பிக்சரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிளியராக தெரியும். there is presence of 2 incisor in upper jaw and lower jaw contain 1 incisor. So that is I 2/1. Okay, then canine C. So canine teeth are absent in rabbit. Okay, டீத்தில் இருந்து என்ன இருக்காது, rabbitல canine teeth கிடையாது. ஏன் canine teeth வந்து absent? That is canine teeth are present only in carnivorous animals. Okay, carnivoreல தான் அந்த canine teeth வந்து present ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ அது வந்து அதர் அனிமல்ஸோட ஃப்ளஷை கடிச்சு இழுக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி வந்து அது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ரேபிட் ஹெர்பிவோர், ஸோ ஆப்சன்ஸ் ஆஃப் கேனைன். ஓகே, தென் ப்ரீமோலார். ஓகே, ப்ரீமோலார் there is presence of 3 teeth. Okay, that is upper jaw contain 3 teeth, that is 1, 2 and 3 premolars, and lower jaw contain 2 premolars, that is 3/2. And then molar, upper jaw contain 3 and lower jaw contain 3 teeth. Okay, that is molar 3/3. So the rabbit dental formula is written as 2033 divided by 1023. 2033, that is presence in upper jaw. Lower jaw 1023. So this is the lower jaw dental numbers. Okay, okay, so the canines are absent in rabbit அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ the space present in between the incisor and premolar. Okay, the space present in between the incisor and premolar is called as diastema அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay, diastema. So the diastema helps in mastication. Mastication means that is the food is mixed with saliva. Okay, அதோட masticate பண்ணுறது. Then chewing of curd, அதை மெல்றதுக்கு அது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ஓகே, see the another picture, that is incisor teeth of rabbit. Okay, rabbit இதோட ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் இருக்கிறது தான் that is incisor teeth அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ மேலே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப சின்ன சின்னதாக 4 teeth இருக்கும். 1 2 3 4ன்னு 4 teeth இருக்கும். கீழே வந்து 2 teeth இருக்கும். ஓகே, அதனால தான் நம்ம இதில் half டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது மேலே 2 கீழே 1 இன்சிஸார் 2/1 அப்படிங்கிறத ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, கிளியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? தேங்க்யூ.